Let's hear from Marissa, a senior kinesiology and health science major with a minor in business administration who hails from LaGrange, Illinois. BU has a long history of investing in their students, and early assurance into Bradley's graduate program is just another example of that investment. BU wants you to spread your wings and succeed. Tell us more, Marissa.
Thanks, Alex. Hey everyone. Growing up, I was always in and out of physical therapy due to different injuries. And by the time I was a junior in high school, I knew I wanted a career in PT. Bradley became my top choice because of the way that students and professors work together. One of the things that drew me to Bradley was the early assurance program for the Doctorate of Physical Therapy graduate program. Knowing I had a spot in such a competitive program gave me peace of mind and allowed me to fully immerse myself in everything the school has to offer. I also was able to pursue a minor in business, which has broadened my skill set and prepared me for the complicated world of healthcare. And I also can't wait to start working at Bradley's pro bono clinic when I start DPT school. Many of my friends have had hands-on experience working with graduate students and real patients there. Bradley also has a unique organization called Wags for Mags, where therapy dogs help uplift spirits of patients. You'll also see them around campus uplifting students as well. Bradley is alive with activities and student organizations. I've had the opportunity to work at the Smith Career Center, helping fellow students with resumes and job-related skills. Since sophomore year, I've had the privilege of mentoring through the Office of Inclusive Excellence. With so many enriching experiences, Bradley ensures you're not just learning, you're thriving. When I first started college, I knew I was in for a good education, but I never imagined how much I would grow as a person. Bradley has helped me become confident, well-rounded, and ready to make a difference. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Marissa, thank you for sharing a snippet of your story with us today. Building confident, skilled, well-rounded individuals is Bradley's bread and butter. Your work in the Smith Career Center, the Office of Inclusive Excellence, and soon as a physical therapist is sure to make a difference. Thank you, and take care, Marissa.